Obaseki don't go pay condolence visits give Airhiavbere until him mama will die. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don't waka go visit General Charles Airhiavbere retired until him mama, late Madam Mary Uzame, wey die for 85 years. Governor Obaseki do this waka with ogbonge person on top All Progressives Congress APC, Senator Airhiavbere Uzame, and other top government officials, as him talk say Madam Uzame na mama to all. He yan say he can't tell him brother General Airhiavbere retired how body pain am reach until him mama will die. He talk saying waka come to celebrate her life as good mama wey she be when she be there alive.
Commiserate with my brother General Charles Airhiavbere on the passing of his very illustrious mother. She was mother to all of us. And even though we'll mourn her, but we're here to also celebrate her, to celebrate her life, to celebrate what she's lived and stood for. She was a very courageous, loving mother. I feel quite emotional because, you know, in Benin, we are one big family, and she was one of the matriarchs of the big family we have.
Governor Obaseki yan say for Benin dem be one big family and politics no go fit change that one.
Beyond politics and before politics, we are family, and that's what's more important.
General Airhiavbere contact Governor Godwin Obaseki for the ogbonge waka wey him carry come, as him talk say governor no reason politics at all. He still call Obaseki man with very big heart.
That is here shows the solidarity within the family beyond politics. And I'm so happy. In fact, it is a very, very big surprise. And I can tell you, the governor is a man with a large heart. God bless you, sir.
This one and the ogbonge information they carry come give on top inside Edo today. As Governor Godwin Obaseki don't go pay condolence visit give General Charles Airhiavbere until him mama we don't waka go meet Baba God. Make una sabi say na TMC TV. Na him carry this ogbonge information come give on. And my name na Edo Gogo Edolei.